Hey guys, for anyone who buys this Dremel, you may notice when you get it that this little piece does not fit on the top because the silver thing's in the way. So in order to rectify that, you have to hold down this button very, very tightly while turning this counterclockwise, and eventually it'll come out. If yours was like mine, this silver piece will actually be stuck inside of here, as mine was when I first got it out. When I first took it out, it was like really jammed tightly, and I was trying to figure out how to get it out there. I tried what the instruction booklet said, was to take this and how to push it out that way. For me, what worked was put it in the opposite way and kind of move it around to loosen it, and then I was able to get it out. But that has to come out. Then this goes in the front like that. This piece goes back to the end, connects like so, and then this will screw back into the Dremel like this. And then you have to hold down the blue button again very tightly. This will kind of lock into place. You might have heard it click. And then you can take this tool to retighten it, and then you should be good to go. Your battery's charged. Hopefully this helps out. Thank you.